Hello guys, how are you? Good morning. Where are you now? Wake up. Let's go. I support the game of my friend Joen from Bulgaria. We have a play today at Arbor School, Jebel Ali. Morning, Nay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23. Guys, this is Arbor School, Jebel Ali. Boss, morning.
Morning.
How are you, boss?
Kamusta? How are you?
Acha hai tiki?
Tiki. Nay.
Sir, morning.
Morning.
Boss, seryoso ka dyan ha?
Yorme, magandang umaga, Yorme.
9 to shoot, 9 seconds to shoot.
Morning. Yay, morning.
Hello kayo.
Yorme in the house.
Morning. Jo, shoutout ka sa brand mo.
Shoutout sa brand ko, Bulgari Perfumes.
Bulgari, Rakam Wahed. My big boss, good morning, Boss Sanjay. My manager, Concos A, Shipsy. Shout out to all Dubai duty free, to all my friends and colleagues, Menjil, Sherwin, Cooks, Sandro, Papa Kent, Crayus, Reggie, Onen, Carlos, Christian, mahirap lang tayo. Master, stay pretty boy and take care. Ikot bola! Basket! Tubig! Counted in your face! Shout out basket! All Irish Village, Marhaba, Dinata, Emirates Airline, and Innovate, also Transguard. Stay pretty boy and take care all. Basket! Join 2 points! Basket! 2 points! In your face! Defense! Boss, morning.
Morning.
Boss, batiin mo si Boss Calyaw.
Boss Calyaw, dito kami sa Discovery 10.
Morning, Boss Calyaw. How are you? Hello to all DG Boys, Uncle Pitts, Roy Singson, Ron Kermit, Barry, Edgar Brescia, Michael Sanchez, Loverboy, Katropang Miguel, Dominic Solis, guys, yan ang
Ron
Chua,
Number 1.
Louie ng Chanel. Stay pretty boy. Stay healthy always. Joy, 2 points. Regards to Cash Office Department. Paring Ian, Marlon, Kevin, bang bang, Eloisa, Elvira. Stay healthy always. Regards sa'yo, paring Albert. Chato. Favor of DDF. Allen. And Romel, Cash Office. 30-26. In favor of Chivas Regal. Defense. Three points. Basket. Ernie, 2 points. Final score, 32-30 in favor of DDF.
Pare ko, yan dito ka pala.
Boss, morning. How are you?
Pare ko, namiss ka namin.
Miss you too, pare. Miss you too.
Masama ugali talaga niyan eh. Yorme, welcome! Long time ah.
Oo, pre. Busy.
Ayos.
Hands up, hands up! Easy layup. Nice shot. And one. Final score, 33-32. Basket by Ernie. Hands up, hands up! Basket! Final quarter, final score 37-35 in favor of Chivas Regal DDF. Basket! Shoutout dyan mga boss.
Nangingitab, naninilaw ka ah.
And one. Basket.
Hello sa'yo,
By Ernie Di Guzman.
Kuya Ryan, Chato, Allen,
Bonus shot.
and Alan Gibonji, and Drex from Penhaligon.
Bang, bang, bang. And one. Boss, morning.
Best regards to all BA department, perfume shop, ship A, ship B, ship C, ship D, and
Shout out
to my friend, Rick Rock.
Street 10, number
Remar.
1.
and Mark.
Shout out, Street 10.
Bye guys, welcome to my channel.
Three points, Choi.
One to shoot.
Bang! Score 53-41.
GG.
Counted 51-45. Game ball. Final score 53-43 in favor of Jack Daniels.
Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe. Yorme 23. Thank you.